Well, hello guys, and welcome back to my channel Red Flag Studio. So पूरे 8 महीने बाद I'm back to making videos for YouTube. I know it has not been a very successful year last 2019. मैंने मुश्किल से 6 या 7 वीडियोस डाले थे, बट मेरा एम्बिशन जो है, जो वीडियोस बना के आर्टिकल्स लिख के, जो मेरी नॉलेज मैंने ट्यूटोरियल्स देख के, दूसरी डॉक्यूमेंटेशन पढ़ के, प्रोजेक्ट्स बना के जो मिली है, वो आपके साथ शेयर कर सकूँ। इसलिए ये जो प्रोसेस था मेरा, कि मैं सीखते सीखते खुद यूट्यूब चैनल्स के चैनल पे अपने वीडियोस पोस्ट करूँ, वो मैं कंटिन्यू करना चाहता हूँ। और इसके लिए ये वीडियो मैंने बनाया था कि मैं आगे का जो मेरा प्लान है, मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर सकूँ। सो बेसिकली आई एम फाइनली अ स्टूडेंट, सो मेरे लिए टाइम निकाल के, प्रोजेक्ट से टाइम निकाल के, कॉलेज से टाइम निकाल के थोड़ा ये सब करना मुश्किल था। But now, since my time is on my side and I have obsession with programming, naturally उसी की वजह से ये सब चालू हुआ है. And the last thing that I actually want to have a source of income. So YouTube may not be a very prominent platform for starting as a content creator, because आपको direct कुछ monetary valuation तो नहीं मिलेगा. But anyways, uh, just for making it, just for the purpose of sharing my knowledge, just for getting started into the teaching world, I want to resume my uh, work so far, whatever that has been. मैं बहुत सारे freelancing projects पे काम कर चुका हूँ फिलहाल तक. So I have actually gained a lot of confidence and expertise in the already fields that are in the fields that I'm already working on. So with that confidence, I want to start from today itself to expand my horizon, expand my knowledge, expand my skill set, and at the same time provide you guys the 33 subscribers that I'm very thankful to, that are right now. I hope they grow soon, the numbers grow. But anyways, whether my videos get like or not, I will be ready to accept any of your feedbacks, your valuable feedbacks, and I will try to make all the changes, all or give any of the videos as your recommendations, as per your recommendation, and move on. So starting right now, I feel that I'll be more comfortable with Android programming, because for the last 2 years I've been building apps. That is my main forte. Also, I've started for 6 to 8 months, I guess, with Flutter. That's the new trend in cross-platform mobile development. And again, I've also been developing in backend sector. I've been exploring a lot of technologies, be it Docker, AWS, DevOps, or you can say front-end websites such as Vue.js, etc., and etc. So whatever that comes into my mind, other than just writing down it into my memory and working it for myself, I would like to make it as a mark on onto this my channel, so that you people can also see what I'm working on, and it might be helpful to you to implement that in your own projects, in your own working. So that was all that I had to say. Now I hope that I fulfill this wish of mine to fulfill this uh, opportunity, and this, you know uh, whatever I want to do with the channel, I move forward with it, and do not just sit back and relax and forget about this after a few days. So let's see. Moving on, I will be very thankful to all the subscribers who have been so far staying on my channel, even though without any updates for more than 8 months. I've been lazy and I've been busy, but now I wish to make something out of the time that I have. So thank you very much. Stay notified about the latest videos by subscribing to my channel and clicking on that bell icon, so that you do not miss any of the videos that I upload next. Thank you.